In the UK, we spend £172 billion per annum in business just on energy consumption and business travel alone. But what's more worrying is we're depleting on fossil fuels, and by 2050 there's going to be 9 billion people on the planet. And effectively what CloudApps are doing is helping influence people's behaviour. And of course the underlying message is what you're really doing is controlling costs. SUMO stands for Sustainability Momentum, and he's your warrior to fight sustainability. And SUMO has a number of facets to him. One is the social enterprise, so that's a collaboration, and chatter's completely integrated into SUMO, but also gamification as well. Game mechanics to engage people and solve problems. And when you merge these together with the mobile platforms, you're putting the power into every single employee's hands that they can look to change their behaviour. Force.com was a very simple choice for CloudApps. We could build our IP on top of the platform and focus on basically the business logic and the problem that we were solving in the sustainability market. It's a huge competitive advantage. Hello, how are you? All companies are different. Everybody has different objectives around sustainability. The important thing is a platform can react very quickly to what those particular demands are.
Lush is a fresh handmade cosmetics company, and we have so far globally over 800 stores. We are forever running trials of making our shops more efficient, so from LED lighting to voltage optimization. And that's when we came across CloudApps. So it's a system for us that will both be able to monitor from our production to our transport to our energy, and then being able to generate really understandable reporting. So it's actually describing these figures in visual concepts that any of our staff could fully understand and react to. We can actually communicate through the chatter feed and share ideas that way. We can really challenge other shops and say, guys, I'm going to set that challenge on you, and as teams we can really promote ethics with one another.
I love it, soft.
Being part of the Planet team doesn't just make us hippies, we're geek hippies. We go all the way. We live and breathe the thing, and we want to make sure it's a real, viable business model.
The reality is being green is actually good business sense. It's about being less consumptive on your energy. It's about making the right choices around travel. Effectively, it's a DNA of your organisation. It's being able to report on that, but do it in real time as well.
Our business, we employ over 2,000 employees. We operate 80 clubs between 14 and 16 hours a day. We have 200,000 members, and that all leads into some pretty high energy requirements for our business. CloudApps gives a picture of what we're spending, where we're spending it. Real-time information available at the fingertips for club managers. That information of itself will allow them to look at the footprint outside of the club opening hours and ask the question why. And our club staff will get a very simple 10-point guide. The clubs and regions will be targeted on it. We can identify leakage, and leakage is cost.
The future for CloudApps is incredibly exciting. The three key things that we're seeing happening in the marketplace. 5.6 billion of us have a mobile connection. Gamification is going to become a lot more prevalent within the workplace. It's a traction that the social enterprise is getting. What CloudApps are doing is bringing this together, and we're solving the sustainability problem. We wouldn't be able to do that without a robust platform and vision that Salesforce gives us.